Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video. I have the Chamberlain B503. Right now, I've had this unit for a couple months and I haven't had time to video it. I got it $35 brand new in the box. This is a temporary unit because it has a square rail on it until the 2500 board comes in, which should be coming in today. I don't have the wall button hooked up. The wire's just down there because I didn't want to run it in the T-rail or just sloppy run it. I have this remote, the 885 LM, and then the 891 RGD on the front, right there, and then one 893 Max inside on the top of the alarm, one of my mom's car. The disconnect system, I don't think I've showed this. I can't remember if I have or not. It kind of works. There's the handle on the outside, and it gets pulled through here like that, and then it's disconnected. I did have to redo the door arm when I put this one on because the curved one up there wasn't really working well. So yeah, this one's really smooth. It's smoother than the 2280/32. So I'll run this up. Wait, I can't use that. I'll run this up. It's actually really quiet. It stops perfectly without jolting. It jolts a lot less on the closing than the 2280 did. So yeah, this is really smooth, surprisingly. It's smoother than the 2280 a lot. I'll run this open. I have one LED bulb on this side, and then I will close this with the program buttons. Yep, it's very quiet, very smooth. Even without the gate, it's smooth. The bell kind of rattles. So yep, I have this set up perfectly. Oh, and I said the 2500 board. I forgot to tell y'all about that. And then the rainer button right here. I got a 2500, just the first generation, not a B, not a D. I got this was an eBay find. The circuit board is bad. T-rail's right here. Casing is all in here, and the actual unit's in here. I just have it in the bags right now because the part was coming in and I figured it's gonna rain, but it's supposed to come in today. Oh yeah, the case is right here. Y'all can see the red casing. So yep, I ordered a logic board on eBay for it. So yeah, it's really smooth, quiet. That's gonna go on the gate. Probably not today because I have a lot of homework to do, but maybe tomorrow if I get it all done again. So yep, that's it for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed. And this is the half horsepower Chamberlain B503.